What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Last video I posted, I showed you guys a little snippet of what I might film in the next video, and today I'm going to show you guys what was in that green box, and it was this right here. These are the Hyper Street 2 coilovers that but me and my dad are installing today. This is the first time I ever installed coilovers. My dad said, it should be an easy job. Putting on the right video today because me and you are gonna learn how to put coilovers on together. Let's do this right and let's go. Show you guys the difference between a stock and a new performance coilover. This is gonna give my car a better performance on the road, but I will be selling these stocks in the local area. If you want OEM manufacturers straight from original OEM parts, Honda Civic, 09, Coupe, LX, I will be selling these. I don't know the price yet, but I give you guys a heads up later on in the week. But yeah, so this is the difference, and I can't wait to install these. Alright, so we did not finish, but we did get the front two done, and tomorrow we'll come back at it and do the rear. I see you guys tomorrow on day 2. Alright.
The next day.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to day 2. Right there, you have to get an alley wrench and a wrench below it to get it unloosened. Then you can get this off to take the strut off too. So that plus the bolt at the bottom, I'll get the strut off for you. And once you get that off, you can take the spring off after that. Right now, I am adjusting basically the height of the car. On that side is 7 7/8 from here to there. I have a tape measure right here, and it's 7 7/8. So right now I gotta go up, not down, up. Over there we tried 1,000 times. We did the springs here, this down, and the car was like not where I wanted to be. So this has to be 7 7/8, and I have a little ways to go to get 7 7/8. Right now I think I'm 6 7/8 right now. But once we get done with this, put the wheel back on.
Eventually.
All right, we are done. Like D-O-N-E. Hopefully. Have my fingers crossed. Hope everything goes right. I'm about to show you guys how it looks in the front and in the rear. So this is the front stance. The front stance is very low. I can't look, I barely even put a finger. But the rear, where we had a difficult time with, I was trying to get low as possible. But I'm satisfied with this right here. You know, 2 fingers, it should be good in the rear. That's how you start coilovers on a Honda Civic. I want to get a huge shout out to my dad. If you're not subscribed to Mutt Legit, hit the subscribe button below. Watch all my recent videos out there. More videos are coming. I don't know what's next on the car. I don't know, but it's gonna be something big, like always. A little bit, not a major bit, but I appreciate everybody out there. Hope you have a nice day, and Legit is out.